Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ken. I'm back with another video for you guys, and hopefully you guys like this new angle setup thing. I bought a new tripod and I'm using it right now. I'll probably be doing a review on it soon, so stay tuned for that. But today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my journey through a deadly snow day. It wasn't really like deadly around my area, but in some areas around me it caused devastating flooding, and like with the snow totals and like the freezing temperatures, it was like just crazy. So I just showed you guys like my journey through it, and yeah, I showed a lot of GoPro clips, and you guys just do enjoy watching. I went in the snow the day of the snowstorm, like while it was snowing, and then I went in the day after while the snow had already fallen and it had gotten like cleaned up and all that stuff. So hope you guys do enjoy it.
My ruler. Where I'm stepping. Oh shit. Oh my god. It's so deep. My ruler, yeah. So much snow. Holy shit. It's so windy. This is great. Look at that drift. I'm wearing goggles, guys. I'm just gonna run. Oh shit. Oh shit. I can't even get out. Oh shoot, my ruler's bent. It's 2 degrees without the wind chill. Shit. It's a workout. Careful with these tree limbs. Pretty fluffy. It was supposed to be packy. But it's fluffy. Fluffy snow is not good for making snowballs or thing, but damn, people could die if they get stuck in it because it's so windy, cold. Oh god, I'm not in a good place. Fuck. I don't want to be near the trees. I don't want to be near the trees. It's like propane. Oh, I got a hockey stick. I'm gonna use this hockey stick that we're gonna put in the ground for measurements. Keep in mind it's drifting and stuff, so it's kind of hard to get accurate measurements. It's so cold. Damn. Damn. Imagine waking up to that much snow. My dog needs to poop. Oh no. Huge gusts, huge gusts. Shit. Whew. Oh god. Oh god. I'm stuck in a snowdrift. Toss me a shovel. Throw it. I quit. Shoot! Right here. Perfect. snowy out here. Oh, I hate this ice, like fake ice. Like, oh yeah, it's pretty hard. And then you just go straight through.
Right here, I just started crawling because if you disperse your weight, like you don't fall through.
I couldn't find like a fake snowboard thing, which is what I really wanted. So I got this whole scooter. Final snow report is about 17 inches right now. Compared to my hand, with a glove on it. This is a large glove. Look at how much that is. See how it goes. It's so cold that my camera keeps messing up, so I'm not really sure what kind of footage I have. We got a sled right here. Oh no, we got a boogie board over there. The agenda is looking like the sled for a little bit, then the scooter thing, then a look around, then clean my mom's car, and then we're gonna end it off with some hockey. Not working at all. I'm gonna have to kind of go like longer. Okay, we got a nice little slide there. Okay, here's where we're gonna die. Okay, now ride it down. This is what really sucks, is like when you sink in, like more than you need to sink on. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I tried to clean my mom's car off, but it's way too hard. My hood isn't even that wet. Yesterday it was full of snow.
Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys today, but with that being said, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.